Okay, the first thing you got to do is clean your glass off. And we're going to see if this makes the glass a lot slicker. The Jeep's glass is so dirty so quick because it's so flat. It's a lot worse than any other vehicle you'll ever drive. But if it works on this, it'll work on anything. Okay, step one, we got to strip the glass. We're going to put this on, and then we got to rinse it off. So make sure you're where you can use some water before you do this. It says, shake well before use. Avoid using on hot windshields. And you can probably do this at a car wash if you don't have any water. It says they go in a circular motion. Okay, there we go. And we didn't use very much of this. I'm sure this is going to be junk. So if you want to do another vehicle, probably going to have to buy more. Now, it doesn't say, it just says to rinse it off. It doesn't say how long to wait. So we will go ahead and get to rinsing. Well, that's not good. Thoroughly rinse windshield with water. Wipe away remaining. There we go. Probably. Make sure there's no lint on it, because whatever's on it's going to stay on it. Looks like it's dried off. Easy to apply. Streak free, long lasting. two, we got the glass. We got rubber gloves. We need to put on our gloves. If you got to put on gloves, don't be wearing anything you don't mind getting burnt. One small area at a time. The black one first. Okay. That says just do like a 2x2 area to start. So it says do a side window before. I'm not doing that. I'm doing the front. Cap 2 milliliter. Says about 3 times turn it over. Applicator pad should be damp, but not soaking wet. Within 1 to 5 minutes after application, start buffing. So we'll do that. This side here. This is 1, 2, 3. I'm overlapping. Okay, now we're going to go down. So we're going to let it flash a little bit. If you can see it, it's kind of streaking through there. We're going to start with the black. This is supposed to remove 95%. That one was straight lines. This is circular motion. Alright, it looks really good. Hardly used any of this stuff. Okay, we're going to finish this side up. we'll be done. The other side looks great. Straight lines, really easy to work with. Really easy. Okay, we're done. That was a celebration horn going off. And really easy to use. And we're going to see how it does and give you a full review what we think of this product. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.